Hi everybody, today I am going to show you how to insert an equation, mathematical equation in Microsoft Word document. In this tutorial I am using Microsoft Word 2010 and this tutorial is for the beginners, those who want to insert mathematical equation for the first time, they never did it before. So let's jump into it. We have 5 equations here, so let's get started with the first. This one is the simplest one. Go to insert tab, then under this symbols group click on equation, then here we have insert new equation. Click on here, then type equation here. Here we have a plus b whole square, so it's a square. So click on script, then click on this superscript, then bracket a plus b, bracket close. Then so in order to type the subscript, the power, just click the cursor on this box or here. From here you can go to the upper one, just press the right arrow key, then type the 2 or square. Then from superscript to normal, if you want to back the cursor from superscript to the normal position, then press the right arrow key, then again equals, then a square, again click here, then a, then again right arrow key, then 2, then again right arrow key, then plus, then b square, same here, then sorry, b, then right arrow key, then again 2 for b square, then again press the right arrow key to put the cursor to the normal, then plus, then twice a b, done. Then next one, again click on insert, then equation, then insert new equation, and here we have x equal to 1 by twice a. Here fraction, we have fraction, then the square root as well. So type the first x equals, then here we have fraction again, click here, then 1, then to get the cursor to the lower portion in the lower number, press the down arrow key, then twice a, then tap the right arrow key to bring the cursor normal, and plus minus, sorry, then first bracket, let's open and close the first bracket together, then minus b, then plus minus plus, then minus, then we have square root. So click on here radicals, then square root, then again square, b square, then again subscript, then here b, then square, back to the normal cursor, then minus BSC. Voila, we have done this one also. So let's go to the third one. Same procedure. Click on insert, then equation, then insert new equation. Here we have x plus a equals n. So again script, then we have this, then first bracket x plus a, then tap the right arrow, then again n, then tap again right arrow, then equals, then we have summation, then go to large operator, then choose this one, third one, summation. Then here we have k equals 0, then press the upper arrow, here, then upper arrow, then n, then again tap the right arrow. Here we have first bracket, so click on design, then bracket here, then NK here. First of all, let's right click, then just make sure to match brackets to argument type is set, then type n, then click on fraction, then here, then type n, then lower k. So here we don't have this bar, so we need to remove the bar. So select this equation as a whole, n by k, select this n by k, then right click, then you have this pop-up menu, then remove fraction bar, click on remove fraction bar, voila, the bar has gone. Then next is x to the power n, then again we have this script, then superscript, then put the cursor here, x to the power k, then again tap the right key, then a to the power n minus k, then again we have this script, then superscript a, then power n minus k. Then this one is, so the next last but one, same, insert, then equation, then insert new equation, then we have this max, type max, then under this subscript we have, let's use this subscript, this one, I mean the second one is subscript. So first type the max, then max 0 less than equal to is the symbol. So we have this under this design, whenever the equation is entering this, we have these structures, then the symbols. We have got these symbols, various type of symbols. We have basic math, then Greek letters, operators, lots of operators are there, and arrow, we have arrow. Script, you get the idea. So let's back to basic maths. Then less equal, we have this one. So click here to insert, then type x, then less than equal to again 1. Then tap the right arrow to bring the cursor normal, then x, then we have again e to the power minus x squared. So we have this script, then superscript, so here x, then e to the power minus x squared. Again we have subscript. Then again here again we need to use this superscript, then here minus x to the power 2. So we have this. Last one is the matrix. So same procedure, click insert, then equation, then insert new equation. So here we have matrix. Choose we have 3 rows, 3 columns, 3 by 3 matrix. So this one, let's with a bracket, so let's use this one, second one. But we have only 2 rows, 2 columns, so let's increase, select all the boxes inside the bracket, and then right click, then insert row, before, and again insert. Let's insert a column before, so we have 3 by 3 matrix. Voila. So let's put the numbers: 5, then 1, then 2, then 5. We have then 5, then 1, then 9, then 4, then again 3. That's done. Again, in this case, we can also insert a new row or new column here like this. Okay, you get the idea. Okay, thanks. That's it. You can, I hope you can insert most of the equations in Microsoft Word document using this technique I have shown here. Thank you for watching. If you have any problem, please drop a line on the comment, and I will try my best to answer you back. If you like the video, like it and subscribe to my channel for such future new videos. Thank you.